This is the new product from Lava. It's called the Iris Pro 30. This is basically a new series that has been launched by Lava called the Iris Pro series. The tagline of this series is Art Meets Smart. So the first thing that you'll immediately notice is that it's got beautiful looks. It's got a beautiful black back. It's got a slimness of 7.5 mm. And the thing is that when you hold this handset is actually the lightest handset that is available to Indian consumers in this category right now at 114 grams. It's got a dual mic noise cancellation. There's one mic at the top and one mic at the bottom for noise cancellation. Let me switch on this handset. The first thing that you'll notice is the LCD. The LCD is from Sharp Corporation, so it's a leading Japanese-based LCD manufacturer. It's got 500 candela per meter square of brightness, or 500 lumens of brightness. To put things into perspective, a 100 watt bulb actually has about 120 lumens of light. A Samsung Galaxy S4 uses about 400 odd, as well as LG G2 uses about 400 odd lumens of light. This one has 500 lumens of light. Despite packing a power-packed display, the battery lasts about more than 1 day. It's about 1.5 days in normal consumption. How Lava has been able to achieve this is through a special technology, a special display technology that has been used in this device called as CABC, or the Content Adaptive Backlight Control. So what this technology does is, in conventional smartphones, the backlights are actually controlled by the filters, and the software controls the filters, whereas in CABC, the backlight itself is controlled directly through the software. So to show a black color to the user, it doesn't have to switch on the backlights. It just has to control the backlights, dim the backlights, and it basically results in savings of 30% or more in the battery. So the display actually consumes about 40 to 60% of a smartphone's battery, and by use of CABC, it actually saves about 30% in terms of smartphone battery. Apart from this, the camera that is being used is 8 megapixel with a dual LED flash, a BSI sensor. The sensor that is used inside the camera is Samsung's sensor. The main thing about this camera is that it doesn't protrude out of the body of the smartphone. You can see in the market the 13 megapixel cameras that protrude out of the body of the handset, but we have tried to get an output equal to the 13 megas out there in the market, yet make the phone not lose on its beautification. Apart from it, it's got a 1 GB RAM, a 4 GB ROM, and Android Jelly Bean. Yeah. Apart from that, there are some other features in this phone. It's got a quad band support, so this phone will work in Americas, Latin America. This phone will basically work in the whole world. It's got OTG support, so you can connect the phone to the pen drives, the mouse, the keyboard and stuff. And this phone actually has a support for both a normal as well as the micro SIM.
Can you take one picture of this and show the picture quality?
So this is a picture that's been taken from Iris Pro 30. So there are some extra software features that have been enabled in this phone. This phone has got a face and a voice unlocking, so you can just speak something or use yourself in the camera to unlock the phone. It's got a flip to mute functionality, so if you're in a meeting and a call comes, you can just flip the phone over to mute the phone. Besides, it also has a picture-in-picture functionality. So if, for example, if you are running any video on the phone, if you are running any video on the phone, you can just do simultaneously any other task and take the video to any part of the screen. This is the picture-in-picture functionality. And apart from it, Yeah, it's also got an automatic calling and answering functionality. So if someone calls and you have switched that functionality on, you just have to take the phone close to your ears to pick up the call. And if, for example, you are reading someone's message and you want to directly call him, just take the phone close to your ears, and the call will automatically be dialed by the phone.